Hello everybody, welcome to this Katteb review video. Today I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know about Katteb, and as always, if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I will also be leaving a discount link in the description of this video so that you can always get your money's worth for Katteb. So Katteb is a fact-checked, localized and real-time AI generator or AI writer. So as you can see, here we are on the main homepage and we have a very simple prompt where we're able to put in a prompt for what we want an article to be created, along with a few other options that they have for different types of, things that you may want to generate for certain, particular things. So you have ads for Facebook, you have YouTube video descriptions, you have lyrics for songs, and then on the left we have our taskbar, and on the right we have our affiliate and earnings page, and then all of our profile options at the top right as well. So we're going to go ahead and get straight into each one of these and sort of have a bit of a description as to what they do and what they have. Go down the left hand side and we'll get to there now. So let's get straight into it. This top feature up here is a premium feature that we're not going to be able to use, but if we go down, we have these options here. So we have our Katteb assistant, we have an article writer, you have paraphrasing to rewrite and enhance any sentence that you want. You're able to summarize long form content. You're able to add blog headings and subheadings. You're able to write introductions, snippets, Facebook ads, articles, brand statements, property descriptions, product descriptions, YouTube video descriptions, about us, more Facebook ads, blog outros, pitch decks, key sentences, problem, agitate, solution formulas, song lyrics, email subject lines, promotion ideas, and blog outlines. And then at the bottom, you've got two links to affiliate and roadmap, but we're going to go ahead and use a couple of these to sort of get an idea for what they are. So let's go for a YouTube video description. Now hitting this, we're able to put in the name of our brand. So we're going to put in Opulent, and then the video idea. So here is the idea for our video. We have Opulent as a company that sells mobile phones to consumers, and then the audience geography will be consumers. And then we hit generate, and we can obviously use the language and how many suggestions that we want. We'll have 3 just to sort of have a little look at what they do, and we'll hit generate. And obviously there's the video idea, and what we're able to do is simply wait, and once it's generated we will have 3 descriptions. In this video we'll be taking a look at Opulent and what they have to offer consumers in terms of mobile phones. We'll be looking at some of the features of their phones and how they compare to other brands. The next one's a little bit shorter. You've got in this video we'll take a look at Opulent, what they have to offer. We'll go over some of the features of their phones and see how they compare to other brands, and then how they offer how they compare to other companies in the market. So basically we also gain experience at the top for each thing that we do, and what you're then able to do is proofread it, you're able to copy it, you're able to change font size, bold, stuff like that. You're able to add color to it, formatting, font family, stuff like that. And if you do want to generate a few more, you're able to hit generate again, and what this will do is obviously create even more. I'll give you an idea. So you've got a little bit, different here, how they can help you save money on your next purchase and loads of stuff like that. So that's what we've got for video descriptions. And we're now going to go back to AI templates and try another one. Let's do one more that, most people would use. Let's do song lyrics. And when we hit on song lyrics, it will take us back to, a very similar page that we had to last time, and we're able to put in the idea for our song. So we've got the song idea is song about a tall mountain. The tone we'll put as elegant, and then the genre will be, rock or pop, rather pop. There we are. And when we're going to put generate, it will give us a few lyrics for a song that might come up. You can see for miles and miles from the top of this tall mountain. The view is so breathtaking you can't help but feel alive. And what it will give you is essentially, it won't give you an entire song, of course, but it will give you some ideas to, base your song around. So you've got this one here. It will tell you how many words it is, and then depending on how many words you've got will also mean XP at the top right. And you're obviously able to change the exact same settings here, copy, etc., and how many suggestions that you get. Now here you are actually able to change the option of what thing you want to generate as well. You don't have to go back to the page every single time. So if you did want to do it, all you need to do is hit another one. So we'll do, for example, we'll do a blog intro, and then it will change the input options, and then you can do the exact same thing in here. You also have the AI art generator, so you're able to do let's draw something creative, and let's just type in, we'll do a very, very quick sort of idea of what this is. Let's do purple bear on a beach, and then we hit generate, and what this will do is it will generate a purple bear on a beach for us in 4 different images. So as you can see, you're allowed to generate 20 images per day, but once we're waiting for this, I'll come back when it's ready. So here we are, we have the AI of a purple bear on a beach. Really nice, very, very simple. As you can see, you're able to simply click on one of these, and then you've got your purple bear on a beach, and you're also able to view your activity. So this is where you can view your examples of different things that you could therefore create, and then you've got the activity page as well. Under AI templates, you're able to look at all the things that you've got exactly on this page, just in a little bit more of a seamless fashion, all laid out one by one. We don't really need to go through that, but as you can see, if you did want to use this option here, you're able to create them by one click on this button as well. Then below that, you've got the article rewriter, and what this does, if I hit basic rewriter, you're able to import an article that you've got, and it will rewrite it to fit a certain category or the way that you want to do it. You've also got an advanced rewriter, so let's take it. Let's find an article online and we'll rewrite it. So as you can see, here we are, and we've imported a sort of a small little article on the World Cup. So what you're able to do is edit text or click on rewrite. So we're going to go ahead and hit rewrite, and what this will do is actually rewrite our entire article in a different way. So as you can see, the original sentence was, Kane has been able to train after suffering an ankle injury in our 6-2 win over Iran, and a scan showed there's no serious damage, blah, blah, blah. And then it's basically rewritten it so it's the same content in a different way. So Kane was able to train after suffering from an ankle injury in our 6-2 win over Iran, and scans showed he hadn't suffered a serious injury, but it's a reminder we have to think about who to replace him in Qatar if needed, and I'm happy to work with our choice. So as you can see, it's basically added a few things in there. It's changed words from certain tenses and stuff like that. So it's a little bit of an a differentiation in the article so that it may be easier to understand. It may be able to use so it's not complete plagiarism and stuff like that. It's really whatever you would need to rewrite an article for, but it's really useful to be able to have, and it's also very, very easy to use. Unfortunately, the advanced rewriter is a premium feature, so we won't be able to use that. But what you're then able to do is hit the My Articles button, and you're able to view all of the articles that you've done. As you can see, we've only really done one, and here it is, the World Cup, available 51 seconds ago rather, and then your actions are to either delete it or view it in that page that we were just on. And then you can also hit new paraphrase to complete a completely brand new one if you so wish. Then at the bottom we have the affiliate button, where you're able to view your affiliate things if you want to become one. You have the options to see their roadmap, so what they're doing, things that are coming soon. As you can see, exporting content, adding additional users. It gives you the time that it's coming soon. You can see things that have just been made live, and then feature releases that you can upvote or downvote if you want to see these implemented into the software. And then at the bottom you have your account button, so that you can view everything to do with your profile. You can reset your password, you can view the plans, you can sign out, and then you can obviously change the language of the website if you do wish to do that as well. But that is more or less it for Katteb. So what do I think about Katteb? And in all honesty, I think it's really, really, really good. It's not often that I will enjoy a website this much, but the absolute simplicity of this website and the amount of things that it can do in that, in that design is incredible. Obviously, there are things behind a paywall, but that's the same with every website. If you do want to get them, then you can. If you don't, then you've still got a plethora of options that you're able to go through. I also really like the fact that you're able to do YouTube video descriptions, you're able to do blog things, you're able to paraphrase, and the article rewriter, in all honesty, is something that a lot of people would take for granted, but it can be very useful if you have an article, but you want to reword it into an easier way or just in a different way so that people can read it and stuff like that. But also with a built-in AI art generator, you're able to implement that, maybe even incorporate the two things together to generate art that's related to your article. It's completely up to you, but I really, really do like this, and I have to give it a good thumbs up. But thank you everyone so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.